Hello students, today we are going to start Unit 1 Integers for class 7. Here we are going to start first question of exercise 1.1. Let's see what is the question. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. That means that one number line you are given and here some different places temperature is shown, and you can see that some integers are marked here: -10, -5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So with the help of this number line we are to give the answer of given parts of this question. So let us start. First part is given: observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. That means we are to write the temperature of Lahore, Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty and Bangalore with the help of this number line. Now if you will observe that Lahore, Spiti is marked here, but this integer we don't know. Same as Srinagar, that is also we don't know. So first of all we will write the integer of these marking points also. So let us write. So here we will write the negative numbers because on the left side the integers are negative. So first one, left side of 0 is -1. Then this is -2. This one is -3. This one is -4. Okay, and same way -5, then -6, -7, -8 and this is -9. Let's write this side number also. So here on the right side of the 0 all integers are positive. So first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 11, 12, 13, this is 14. Then this is 16, 17, 18, 19. This one is 21, 22, 23, 24. Now we can write the temperature of all these places. Let's write. So first one is Lahore, Spiti. So observe the number line Lahore, Spiti. It is marked here and here the integer is -8. So its temperature is -8 degree Celsius. Same as Srinagar. Srinagar is marked on the point -2. So its temperature is -2 degree Celsius. Now Shimla. So here Shimla's temperature, it is marked on 0.5. So right, it's 5 degree Celsius. Then Ooty. Ooty is marked on the point where the integer is 14. So its temperature is 14 degree Celsius. Now Bangalore. Its temperature is 22 degree Celsius. So in this way we have written the temperature of all these places. Let's come to B part. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? That means among these places, with the help of number line we will find that which place is the hottest and which place is the coldest. Then we will find the difference of temperature of that places. We know that 0 is the freezing point. If we will go left side of 0, that means negative side, then temperature will be colder. And if we will go right side of 0, then temperature will be hotter. So among these places, which place will have the highest temperature, that will be the hottest place, and which place will have the lowest temperature, that will be the coldest place. So let's find. You can see that Bangalore has the highest temperature, that is plus 22 degree Celsius. That means it is the hottest place. And Lahaul Spiti, it has the smallest integer, that is minus 8 degree Celsius. That means it is the coldest place. So we will find the difference of Bangalore's temperature and Lahaul Spiti's temperature. So let's write temperature of Bangalore, that is 22 degrees Celsius, and same way temperature of Lahaul Spiti, that is coldest place, it is minus 8 degree Celsius. This one is the hottest place, this one is the coldest place. Now difference. So we'll write 22 degrees Celsius minus and minus 8 degree Celsius. Okay. Now minus minus plus 8 degree Celsius. So it will come 30 degree Celsius. This is the difference between the hottest place and the coldest place, that is 30 degree Celsius. Let's come to C part. Here C part is what is the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar. So here we are to find difference between the temperature of Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar. So let's write. First of all, we will write the temperature of Lahaul Spiti. What is that? It is minus 8 degree Celsius. Then temperature of Srinagar. What is it? It is minus 2 degree Celsius. Now we are to find out the difference between these temperature. So which temperature is bigger between minus 2 and minus 8? So in negative, minus 2 is always greater than minus 8. So we will find the difference minus 2 degree Celsius and minus 8 degree Celsius. So let's do minus minus plus 8 degree Celsius, and what it comes 6 degree Celsius, because 8 is bigger, 8 minus 2, 6 degree Celsius. So this is your C part. Let's come to now D part. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? That if we add temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, then is it less than the temperature at Shimla only, or also is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? That if we add the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, is it less than the temperature at Shimla, and also is it true for Srinagar? So it means they are asking that if we add temperature of Shimla and Srinagar, that if we add temperature of Shimla and Srinagar, is it less than temperature at Shimla? So we have to find is it true or not. So first of all we will add the temperature of Shimla and Srinagar. Let's write. So what is the temperature of Shimla? Shimla's temperature is 5 degree Celsius and Srinagar's temperature is minus 2 degree Celsius. So let's add minus 2 degree Celsius and 5 degree Celsius. And what is temperature at Shimla? It is 5 degree Celsius. So when we subtract 2 from 5, that means 5 minus 2, then it will come 3 degree Celsius. And this is 5 degree Celsius. So yes, 3 degree Celsius is less than 5 degree Celsius. Then we will say yes, it is true that if we take the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together, then it will be less than the temperature at Shimla. Same way we will find that is that less than the temperature at Srinagar or not. So let's write temperature of Shimla and Srinagar. We will check that is that less than temperature at Srinagar. So we have to find it. For that we will add same way minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius, and this side temperature at Srinagar is minus 2 degree Celsius. So if we will subtract, it will come 3 degree Celsius. So it is minus 2 degree Celsius. So 3 is positive integer and minus 2 it is negative integer. So positive integer can never be less than the negative integer. So here what we will say? No temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is not less than temperature at Srinagar. So this is the first question D part. I hope you have understood.